Happy Friday, guys. I think by the time you guys get this video, it is probably Sunday. But let's go over the market. I know it's been super volatile, and I hope you guys watched last week's video as we went over a lot of things that actually happened and came into fruition. So a lot of things, a lot of people think that news moves the market, but it's actually, weirdly enough, news is used as a catalyst to propel the movement of the price action, but price action comes first. And we see it all the time where, at the top of, recently, the top of the Elliott wave cycle, we got COVID. And then when we reached the top again, we got this whole Russian situation going on. So a lot of things, even though people think that news affects it, we have to stay, what's that word called? We have to stay objective and just focus on the chart and trade levels. Especially during these times, you have to trade levels. You have to try to scalp. Swinging isn't the best thing to do because, although you are trading levels, if you swing, you'll be caught at the propelling of that specific level. So, you hit a level and then you think you're going to go for puts and maybe it would have worked, but then news happened and then it takes you the other way. Because remember, that's why I like to trade reversals. If you didn't watch my prior video, make sure you watch why I like trading reversals more than breakouts. Especially breakout or breakdown traders, you will get wrecked in this environment, especially if you are swinging, because there is so much news going on. And that's why I like to play reversals, because when it hits that level, some sort of news will come and accelerate the price action. So it's really, really good to use in conjunction. But anyways, what I think of the overall market right now, I think we have more downside. Reason being, even if this is a potential impulse, which it looks way too choppy for it to be an impulse, I am seeing 3 down here and 3 up. If you guys don't know what this is, look up Elliott wave. But 3 down, 3 up, and then I think we're gonna get 5 down. And so far today, when we did bounce, we didn't break above the 0.61 and 78. So I think wave 3 is coming. And I think we're going to probably gap down Monday, unless something happens, which is out of my power. I am in puts, full disclosure, but I've made a good amount today on our stock channel. Also, guys, if you have any questions, make sure to comment below. I am trying to get more engagement. I'm trying to help. If you have any tickers you want me to look at next week when I make the videos, let me know down below, or come join our Discord server. But ask the question here too, because that, that messes with the algo. But here we played some really, really nice trades today. I think we did not lose at all, but this was today. As you can see, it's all time-stamped, no edits. All my trades are posted here. 33%, 16%. Oh no, we did lose, minus 10%. Oh, it was actually a gain because I kept averaging down, but yeah, even showed my P&L. Another one. What else today? Okay, there we go. 40%. But anyways, 23%. Anyways, I do think the market's going to continue down. Some big tickers that you guys probably are wondering about, since a lot of people kind of got bagged on this NIO. NIO, I think, still has more downside. Levels to watch would be this 1787 and 1654 level, as well as this 14.3 and 1354 level. I like it as a long-term trade and investment, but who knows exactly what's going to happen. You could have China joining part of this war with Ukraine, and then you're just going to get clapped on all Chinese stocks, because then they're going to sanction China, then they're going to sanction all the China stocks. And it's like, bro, you just can't catch a break. So something like this, Chinese names, I would really be careful. And I will only scalp this. I wouldn't recommend swinging it. But again, not financial advice. Those are the 2 levels to watch for NIO for a catch of a bounce. So remember, scalp the bounces. I'm not telling you swing the trade. Don't do that. I mean, if that's your style, do what you want, but I would rather scalp. Square, we're going lower on this one too. I think the first level we have is this 103.84.99. I think we are at least going to come down here, which is kind of crazy because that's 67.01, but minimum at least here to retest this level. Actually, yeah, it could be here, then up, because at the same time this is probably the 78 retracement. Let's see. It is probably the 78.61. Yeah, see, so the 61 and then the 78 is really close to here. So I do think we continue downwards. Affirm as well. Golden put. Square also had a golden put, I believe. Disregard this because it looks like a closing. Volume is 1500, OI is 399. I believe I saw a square put, but anyways, Affirm. We got puts for that. Red flag TQQ. Right here, which means that it's a red flag. Don't trust that call, or at least question it. I think I had a square one, but I guess not, but whatever. Okay, let's move on. Bond, this one, if you guys watched the prior video, we were talking about this one. We were talking about it, and this is what happened. And also over here at the $4 level, so I do think this goes and rips crazy. So we spoke about this within the next week. And today we ripped for 20%. I mean, it came back down here to test this wedge, and then from there we popped 35%. So I think those are really the big ones. Chinese stocks, be careful with them. Any of those news catalysts, so you have like the cybersecurity, you have the Russian oil stocks, you have a bunch of these names, just be careful with those. There's always another chance. I mean, that's why I like trading the indexes now, because it just provides more opportunity and you don't need to worry too much about it. Sorry, I look like a mess here, but that's because I charted it on a lower time frame as well. Even on the daily time frame, which we are in, you know, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, wait, look, A, B, C, A, B, A, B, C. I'm thinking like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this is a rising wedge here, so you gotta be careful. Today, I think we did close above it. Let me see. Actually, no. So this is actually pretty dangerous. My friend says it's going to go up, and he's really good at what he does. So I was kind of like, should I get out or should I not? But I am in my puts. I mean, I am only in, I think, $2,800 worth of puts. So, and then the rest, within the last 2 days, I think I made a little over 3. So again, I'm still trading with profits. But good luck to you guys, and make sure to comment below if this was helpful. Make sure to keep staying tuned. Join our Discord, it's completely free, and make sure you trade with the right tools and with the right team.